Hello everyone, this is Don Pix, and today I'm making a special video for my entry in Shabandy's giveaway. But first, congratulations Shabandy on your new milestone of 500 subs, which is really deserved. Because your videos and your content are really outstanding and very educational. And I've been following you since the beginning of my lockpicking journey. Many thanks, Shabandy. Today I'm picking an ASSA d12 level 2, the version with the check pin for him. This little sweet with this nice 90-degree keyway and 2 key pins, which are almost zero lifts. Pin 5, the check pin, is a long pin and goes all the way down at the bottom of the keyway, and it is actually easy to set because you can get to it well from below. I even think that without the check pin the lock is probably harder to pick. Enough talking, let's try to get the baby ASSA open. As tension I use this from Multipick in 1.2 millimeter. It fits perfectly. And for the pins 1 to 3, I take the hook, use a hook from Moki, and start with really light tension. For the check pin, the long one, I take this broken pick because it's almost a zero lift and only needs to be touched a little bit. Okay. For pin 6, I use the hook from ASSA, deep hook, the only hook without oversetting 4. Okay. Now pin 4, use my broken pick again. It only needs a little lift too to hopefully be set. Okay. Back in front. Feels all set. Pin 5 again. Oh, nice click. So probably the last one is still pin 6. Hard to reach in this keyway. Drop something. Okay, open. let's go to work on the gutting. All the wings, no, all the pins have these wings. And prongs at the bottom. And so you can rotate them, since each pin has 2 cuts on the key. So there are 2 possible cuts for each pin. For each pin kind of master keying. The big advantage is that compared to using master wafers, this is only 1 shear line and not 2. This is a long pin. Okay. Thanks for making it to the end of my video, and thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.